So my second question here says a string of a kite is 100 meters long and the kite makes an angle of depression of 60 degrees to the end of the string on the ground. Find the height of the kite assuming that there is no slack in the string. So when I go back through this, I know that I have a kite and that kite itself has a string that is 100 meters long. And the kite makes an angle of depression of 60 degrees to the end of the string on the ground. Find the height of the kite, assuming that there is no slack in the string. So now I'm going to come back and I'm going to draw a picture. Doesn't have to be perfect, so I have myself a kite, and this kite is flying in the sky, and it says there's no slack in the string, so it's not a cute little like swirly string. It's going to be a string that makes a direct straight line to the ground. But remember that a kite makes an angle, so it's not a straight up and down line. That's the side that we want to find. So we are going to make ourselves a triangle out of this. This is my string. There's my kite up there. Here's my right angle. It says that it's making an angle of depression of 60 degrees. And if you recall from before, an angle of depression is from starting at the top and going down, which is this angle out here. This is 60 degrees. But we know that because this is a diagonal, these are two parallel lines, this angle will also be 60 degrees because they are alternate interior angles, things that we've learned before. It says the string of the kite is 100 meters long. So instead of the word string here, I can erase the word string and I can put 100 meters. And it wants us to find the height of the kite. So we don't care about how far across the ground it is. We want to know this height right here. And we can double check our answer looking at my picture. So here's the same picture. Here's our right angle. We have 100 meters. And we want to find this side length. We know this is 60, this one is also 60, and now we can solve. So if this is my theta, I know that this is my opposite, and this is my hypotenuse. We don't need the adjacent side because it doesn't have a side length for us or is not a side that we're trying to find. So when I look at my ratio, I know that I have my hypotenuse and I need my opposite. So it can't be tangent, it can't be cosine, so it has to be sine. So now I'm going to write sine 60 is equal to, and we write our fraction. We don't know the opposite, we do know the hypotenuse. And then we can go ahead and solve. And multiplying both sides by 100, you get 100 times sine 60 equals 86.60. So we can also make sure we come back through, write our sentence. The kite is 86.60 meters off the ground. There you go.